Ang mga wagi sa 97th Academy Awards at emosyonal na confession ni Sam Milby. Yan ang ating Entertainment Spotlight.
Everything about my wife star, Sam Milby. Emosyonal na inamin sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda na hindi naging madali ang breakup nila ni Catriona Gray.
If people think that it's been easy for me, it has. I'm sorry. I don't want to go into details.
Ibinahagi rin ni Sam na may nararamdaman siyang pressure pagdating sa pag-aasawa.
My last name, Milby. It's not the common last name. So I feel the kind of the pressure to carry on the Milby name.
I understand.
Yes, I'm the last one in my family.
Big winner sa 97th Academy Awards ang pelikulang Anora with 5 awards including Best Picture. Best Actor si Adrien Brody for The Brutalist na nag-uwi rin ng iba pang awards. Nagbigay tribute naman kay James Bond sina Ariana Grande at Cynthia Erivo ng Wicked, Doja Cat, Ray at Lisa ng Blackpink na first ever Korean artist na nag-perform sa Oscars. Manila concert ni JB ng GOT7 nitong weekend. Jam-packed. Philippine concert scene will be busy in August dahil sa concert ng American group na Black Eyed Peas at ang world tour ng K-pop group na Les Seraphim. Lor Santiago nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.